We love our new puppets. I'm gonna help you. This puppet is hard like stone. It's so hard. It's so hard, but the other side is better. I love the Among Us puppet. It's so cool. I love it. It's so satisfying. This is the first time I had this kind of Among Us puppet. This is so cool. And also these ones are the old ones that I have in my birthday. It happened much my 8th birthday. Then check it out. So yeah, I love this. It's so rainbowy. I like the teal. Look at that. This is the quiet part. And this is the this is actually so cool. I love it. I love this Among Us puppet. So satisfying. This is the hardest puppet I've ever played with. And also guys, I got a new bullet journal.
Show it here.
I actually got a new bullet journal. 2 of them. Look. I love my new bullet journal.
Can we see inside? How does it look like?
It is. It has dots. Look. It has dots. There.
That's bullet journal. You call it bullet notebook?
Bullet journal.
Bullet journal.
Only bullet journal. Ooh, it's so cute! And I just love the puppets. They're so hard to pop. This side is better. Look, it's faster, but the other side isn't. It's so hard. It's so cool.
You do it one by one, maybe.
Yeah, it's better when it's the thumb only. Look at that. It's so satisfying. I love this puppet. Now I have 4 puppets. In the future, I'm gonna have 10 oh, this is loud. I didn't notice this is loud. Look, it's so cute. I love it. It's the best.
Best.
Ow, my head. I also love my old puppets. Come on, Dream. Let's go. Look at our puppets.
Puppets.
So cool. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go work on my bullet journal. Bye.